We are standing at the construction site of the future platform for the Journey Behind the Falls. So the reason that we are adding a second platform to the Journey Behind the Falls attraction is the current platform, which is just behind me, is known as the Rainbow Platform. It has been around since 1951. It has lived its life. We need to do a project to reconstruct it. The Journey Behind the Falls is the most iconic attraction at Niagara Parks. It has been around for over 130 years. It has seen at least 900,000 to 1 million guests every year. It is an unbelievable attraction where, as you can see behind me, you get the most spectacular views of the falls. So that brought up the opportunity and the idea of creating a secondary platform, modernized with heating, roofing, protection, everything you need to have a beautiful view of the falls. So when that platform is built, we'll be able to go back to the Rainbow Platform and do its reconstruction. What this ensures is that the attraction never shuts down. So the first phase of the redevelopment of the Journey Behind the Falls was to take an abandoned tunnel and bring it back to life. This tunnel dates back to the early 1900s, and around World War II, it was shut down and then never came back, never opened again until today. So as we're standing here today, we are now rehabilitating that tunnel. We've got a new concrete walkway, which makes it fully accessible, handrails, lighting, all the services you could want, but we were able to keep the character and the authenticity of that original tunnel. All of these additions are to create a world-class experience, to improve the accessibility, the access for everyone to experience the falls up close and personal.